Hi, this is Adrienne from Brandastic. Today we're going to talk about 3 ways to optimize your site content for voice search. So why should we focus on voice search? We all do it at some point, whether it's on the go in the car, cooking at home, or doing projects hands-free. Voice search is a part of our everyday lives. Voice search results give us quick, authoritative answers to what's most important to us at that moment. We're always expecting high accuracy in getting the best results. Here are some key facts to consider about voice search. Voice search is on the rise. According to Microsoft's report on consumer adoption of voice technology and digital assistants, 69% of people have used a digital assistant last year alone. Smart speakers are also on the rise and are commonplace in households. It's estimated about 75% will own at least one smart speaker in their home by the end of this year. Additionally, Google's CEO, Sundar Pichai, has stated that 20% of searches on Google are connected through voice. Here are 3 tips on optimizing your content for digital assistants. Number 1, write in a conversational voice. This type of writing aligns with the way searchers speak when using digital assistants, and it helps relevant information be pulled in voice search snippets. Be sure to plan and outline your content, providing comprehensible and useful information. Here's a fun fact. Humans can speak 150 words per minute on average, compared to 40 to 60 words per minute while typing in search. Number 2, answer questions your customers are asking. You want to make sure to identify any customer pain points and also look to your top 10 ranked queries for your site for ideas. Then, make sure you directly answer the question, being as concise as possible. You want to focus on aiming to satisfy users' intent. Remember, context does matter. For example, pizza ingredients when you're cooking at home versus pizza delivery. Remember, there's 3 types of user intent. The first one is informational. This is focused on general information for solutions or answers using terms like who, what, and how. Second one is navigational, where you're finding a certain product or service and you're using terms like near me or directions to. And number 3 is transactional, where you're ready to take action, using terms like order, download, or reserve. You also want to focus on using long-tail key phrases, giving clear answers, and simple words, so it's easy for digital assistants to repeat back the words through text to speech. This increases the likelihood of Google finding your information and helps serve it up as a feature snippet for digital assistants to potentially grab. Lastly, make sure to write content in short blurbs in the form of paragraphs, lists, or tables, and search engines will have an easier time picking this information up. We don't know how Google will grow voice search capabilities in the future, but it's best to be prepared with your site content now. If you've enjoyed this video, please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date. Thanks for watching.